Hello and welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a super delicious vegan brownie that tastes like fudge. Guys, this one is amazing. I'm going to leave the entire recipe like always in the description box below, but these are the ingredients that you need. You're going to start by your chocolate of choice, vegan if you need to. Also, you're going to need flour. You're gonna need chocolate powder. You're also gonna need butter, vegan butter or normal butter if you are not a vegan. And then you're gonna need the chickpea water. Yes, you heard it. Also, you're gonna need some sort of sweetener. In this case, I have sugar. Then we have the vanilla extract, baking powder, a pinch of salt. This one is optional, sesame seed powder. I just love it. It adds a little bit of something to it. First step is to melt your chocolate and your butter either on the stove like I do it or in the microwave. Second step is to put your chickpea water into a big bowl and the sugar and then mix it well. I take the kitchen aid from my mom and I love it. Thank you, Mom. Now let's get it done, guys. Get this one foamy, and really it literally looks like egg whites and sugar. Look at this, so creamy. My mom was just astonished. Next, we are going to mix the dry ingredients in one big bowl together. Super easy. Just put your cacao to your flour, your salt, all of it, your vanilla extract, and your baking powder. Done. Oh, and don't forget your sesame seeds if you want to add them. Now give everything a nice stir till it looks like this, and then set it aside. Time to combine the chickpea water with the chocolate. Now, if the chocolate is cold enough, it's time to move on. Just wait for that. That's important. And then just put everything into this white beauty and then mix the creamy chocolate into this white heavenly cream. Guys, look at this. Isn't this just beautiful? Oh my gosh. I wish you could smell the kitchen. It smells so like chocolate. This is just amazing. And as you can see, I'm not mixing it wildly. I just fold it under, very gentle. So we want to keep the foam up as much as possible because we made everything foamy. So we don't want to just mix it somehow crazy together. Just be careful and gentle. Almost done, guys. It's time to mix the dry ingredients together with the cream. Also, again, just fold it under. No crazy mixing. Just very, very careful. We still concerned about the foamy consistency. The foamier the consistency later, the better it is, because a very dense batter will make a very dense cake. We don't want to have it too dense. We want to have it a little bit more fluffy. Now it's time to prepare our oven dish. I'm taking here wax paper or oven paper and then just cutting the edges and making it fit better into the entire oven dish. This makes your life way more easier than you can think. In terms of baking, one of the worst things that can happen to you is when your cake is sticking. Guys, have you ever made your own butterscotch at home? No? Then just click the link down below in the description box and there you go. You have an amazing recipe for your own butterscotch. Once you're ready to rumble, it's time to put your beautiful, amazing brownie batter into your oven dish. Once your oven dish is full with the batter, just spread it so that's evenly covering everything and then you're actually done. Guys, Please make sure you check out the other brownie recipes of these series. All of them are amazing and serve for different purposes so that you never miss on a brownie. We have low calorie, we have without gluten, we have without sugar, we have it all. Just try them all and let me know what you think. Now it's time to bake this beauty for 30 minutes on 180 degrees, depending on your oven. And voila, we have it done. The very amazing vegan brownies. It's time to try this. I don't know about you, but for me, it was super fascinating when I heard first about these chickpea water. It is just really cool. Guys, it's time to try these delicious vegan, almost vegan in this case, brownies. Look at this texture, first of all. It looks super like tender in the middle. It's kind of like a little bit like hard on the surface, but let's bite it and see how it is. Look at this. This looks so good. Let's have it. So good. Wow. It tastes like toffee. It's really, really good. I love it. In the middle, it's creamy, and on the surface, it's just crunchy. Super good. Guys, give this a try. I definitely give the thumbs up. And what I love about it is that you use actually no egg, but just the water of chickpeas. I would definitely throw away this water. So it's beautiful. We use everything and don't waste food. And that's very important. So give it a try and let me know how you like it. Now, Mom is coming and she's going to try it.
Hello, Mama. Welcome.
Thank you.
It's time for Mom to try it. First of all, Ian dinner. Ian Shacklin.
Oh man, es duftet. Es
Duftet, ja.
Ja, es duftet und
Nach-
Schokolade.
Sehr
Es
schön.
bringt gute Laune.
Das ist toll. Beiß mal ab.
Oh ja. Einfach lecker.
Sehr schön. Freut mich. Super gut.
So schokoladig.
Ja? Und hast du das auch geschmeckt, dass es in der Mitte ein bisschen so extra schokoladig ist, oben ein bisschen knusprig und
Ja.
in der Mitte ein bisschen
Genau,
extra?
genau.
Ja, ist lecker, ne? Hier.
Wirklich.
Also wirklich, Leute, wenn man sich das hier anguckt, oben drum ist so eine ganz kleine Kruste und innen drin, das ist wirklich zart.
Also mit Tee ist sehr, sehr lecker.
Leute, versucht es.
بچه ها جای همگی خالی. من یکی دیگم گاز بزنم.
Bye, Mom. Dusche June. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Do not forget to hit the like button, to hit the subscribe button, and to come back next week on Friday, maybe Saturday, or even Sunday, maybe all of them, because I'm gonna upload another amazing recipe video. Stay tuned. Isn't it wonderful that we all have more than enough to eat every day on our plates? Yes, it is. But unfortunately, this is not the truth for many kids on this planet. For less than 70 cents a day, you can share a meal with Share a Meal. Actually, 3 meals with 1 child. So let's make a difference. I'm gonna leave a link down below. You can follow it. It's so easy to share a meal. I'm so grateful that you helped me to make a difference. Thank you.